In this video, I am going to write a C program to construct linear linked list using the following option. Insert node at the first position, insert node at the last position, delete first from the first position, delete node from the last position and display the value. So don't need to write code with this video watching. I will give a link from where you can get full code. Just follow this video and I will explain each line. So let's start it. So at first we will write the header file has include stdio.h to input and output. Stdio for input and output purpose, and we will use has include stdlib.h for which purpose to create dynamic memory allocation, and we will use a function exit function. For this reason we have to use this stdlib header file. So let's start it. So at first I will create structure for linked list. In data, two parts, one node, two parts, one is data and another is next part. Okay, now what we will do, we will declare this function insert at the first position, insert at the first position, insert at the last position, delete at the from the first position, delete from the last position and display the value. We will write this function. So now I want to define this structure name as node. Okay, now I want to declare this function. This node star create for which purpose? To create node, and insert beginning function for insert node at the first position, insert end at the last position of the linear linked list, and then we will display, and we will make this program more efficient and we will make this program menu driven so that we can get every updated value. Okay, and then delete first and then delete last. Then what we will do, then we will create main function. This the return type will be int, or you can create this void as well, and just we will use system CLS. Why? For the clear the screen. And then now just focus on it. Node start, it means we will create a node which is pointer, and it is the data type what? It is node. What is node? We have created, see, I have created this node. Okay, this data type will be node. Okay, then I just printf for displaying the singly links, it will be the heading, and then I use ch, it means for choosing. So I will create a while function for menu driven program. So I have used this printf press 1, we will use press 1 to insert beginning, and press 2 and for insert end, and press 3 to delete this first node, and press 4 for delete last node, and press 5 for display, and press 6 for exit. Press 6 for exit. Okay, now just this program will ask the user to enter your choice. Suppose, and we will use this, we will store this value, this choice in this. I have said earlier, this is CA choice. I will store this here. We will use switch case. Why? To make this after choosing, you know, the switch case function. Okay, then for case 1 I have said insert beginning. For insert beginning, don't need to write code because I will give the description link, you can get full code from there. So for insert begin, and what, this is very important, I have used here start. Okay, I have used a start, and I have initialized null because it is empty. its data part will be null and its next part will be null, because its node type, remember this node type is two part. One is data part and another is next part. What will do is its next will be, this is a struct node, structure within structure. This next what will do, it will store the next value, next address of the next node. Okay, now I have used switch case and case 1. When user press 1, it's come to insert beginning and it will call this function I have declared. We will we will define this function later. Just I am showing this main function. So for case 1, remember it, for case 1 insert begin will function call, and then what I have passed the parameter, I have not only pass only start it, I have passed also its address. See, start is a pointer. Okay, let me show. Start is a pointer. We pass the address of pointer. For this reason, I have used here double pointer. Double pointer means it stored the address of another pointer. Okay. Now, and for case 2 insert in to node, insert the node at the last position, I have used this function, and for delete the first node I have used this function. Don't need to write this code. I will give this full code in description. Just go through this link and you will get full code. Okay, and then delete last, and see this start already I have passed the address of this pointer. Okay, now see here we use just display. I don't want to pass anything. For why? Because I don't want to modify any node or insert node, delete node. For this reason, just only pass this, just the struct node. Okay. Now if user press anything 6, sorry, if user press 6, it will system CLS, it will clear the screen and it will say thank you. And after that exit 1, see I previously told that stdlib is used to use malloc, calloc, dynamic memory allocation, as well as the exit for exit function. And default, if user give input 1 2 3 4 5 6, else anything, it means suppose user gives 7, so what it happen, then it will call this these things wrong input, choose again, and it will, as it is, I have said it is menu driven, it will go through this here again. Suppose you have completed insert begin, it will call again, because it is menu driven program, it's call again and again unless you choose this 6 and it will exit. Okay, now time to define this function. So I want to use create function. Okay, see, don't need to write code with this video, because I will give full link. I have I want to say it again and again, because suppose if you write this code and at the same time if you are watching this video, so you will not understand clearly. Okay, just follow this video. I will create this create function. So at first I have defined it as well, then I have what I have done, this I have create a variable which is the pointer type, but its data type will be node. Okay, then I have used malloc. You know, malloc is used for allocation the memory dynamically. So I have used as node, and it's the data type, and then malloc and size of node. Okay, then what I have said, user printf enter the value, and scanf is used. See, here we use, when we use normal data type, then we use dot, and for as it is, this is pointer, so we will use this arrow sign. And remember, it will very important that this temp next will be null, because I have created just this node and it is as it is linear linked list, so its next part will be null. And then I have returned temp, and this is what is the type of, please tell what is the type of temp? It is node type. For this reason I have written the same type as it is. So now I want to create this insert function, void insert. I have used void insert. See, I have used double pointer. Why? I have already said that single pointer use the address of some data type address, okay, but double pointer is where used, we pass the address of another pointer. So one is also pointer, but when double pointer use, it will point the another pointer's address, okay. So again I have declared a variable, and then I have called this create function. See, whenever a control goes to this line, this will call this create function. Otherwise you can write here this all this code here, because you have to write for insert begin, insert end. For this reason I have created this uniquely. So when each temp, what happened, this temp will store this temp, because it is new node, because you have created, and then it will store temp. So remember here, if star head, see, if star head, so when if star head equals to null, means whenever you don't insert anything, so this temp, this new node will be stored in star head. If you write only head, what happen, it will give an error, because you have to write star head. And for else part, what you have to do is that just you have store here, just you have to insert begin, means that just temp next will be the star head. Why? And what is the significance of this line? See, we have created new node, it means is new node next will be star head, because remember it is insert beginning. So whenever you will create new node, then new node will be the first position and next will be the previous node, okay. Then for this reason I have written the temp next equals to star head. And after this line is very important. If you have to write must, you have to write this line, because you have next, and then if you, when at first see, you previously you have created new node, then new node will be the head position. You have to give this, you have to write this, it is mandatory, because and new node it will be the first position, then new node will be the head position, okay. After this you have to write this is insert successfully, new node insert successfully. So now I want to create the insert end function. See, void insert end node start as it is, I have said earlier. Now I have created two variable, which is pointer type and its data type node, okay. Again at the same I have created new node which name is temp, because it will, I have already said this function time, this is create this node. And now see, if these lines means when you have no node, you don't have create any node, it will this head, it means this start of the node will contain your new node, okay. Else if you have previously present any node, then what you have to do, you have to write, you have to call a point, a variable, and it will store this star head, and then you have to insert at the end position. So remember it, you have to, whenever you have to create first position and it is last position, so you have to go traverse, you have to do traverse. For this reason you will go at the end of the node, and it will the first node, it contains the first node, then ptr next means new point, those nodes are present, it's next. When null, then it will, after I will come this part. Unless it is null, we will go ptr equals to ptr next. It means I will go the next pointer, next node of this linear linked list. So whenever I have reached, I will reach the at the end node, then what I will do, this end node next will be the new node. For this reason it will create your new node successfully. Then this message will print. Now I will create display. See, I have used this display as it is return type void, and I have created this variable as it is data type node. Now this condition will check if your linked list have node or not. It means your head, whenever, see, remember previous this the double star, and here only one star. Why? Because I don't want to add or delete something else, I just display it. For this reason you can use double pointer as well, but for the easy to understand, I have used single pointer for display. So only for this reason you have to use only head. If head equals to null, it means here no node present, then this message will come that the linked list is empty. Otherwise, else part, what happen, it will then pointer, new pointer I have declare this variable, this will point the first node of the linked list. Okay, now what happened, then I have printed this message linked list, whatever data is present it will show here. Then while it will continue, when the node no present, whenever no node present it will stop. For this reason, when ptr not equals to null, when it is equals to null, then it will stop, it means no node present, all will be displayed. See, when ptr not equals to null, it means there are data present, then it will go this function, this while loop, then it will print this ptr data. It means new those node are present, this data part will be printed, and it will goes to the next part, it will goes to the next node of the linear linked list. So it will goes and goes, whenever it is ptr equals to null, it will come from this while loop, and it will print that this last node next will be storing the null. Okay, now I have only two functions remain, one is delete first and delete last. I want to create at first delete first. So see, delete first, as it is return type void, I don't want to return anything. Then this is delete first, and this is this is one parameter node star head. It's same as it is, because it's give, I have said whatever earlier, I have said that whenever we want to modify, then we have to use double star. You can use single star, but this code will very long and it will more complicated. If you use double star, it will be more easy to write this program, and it will require more less code. So I have created two variable, temp and car ptr, it means current pointer. Then its head equals to null, means here if no node present, then it will set that whenever you want to delete, it will set that linked list is empty at first, enter some data and then try to delete. Okay, if data is present, means if in linked list if node is present, then what you have to do is that, then I have just point this first node. Any node is present in the linked list, I have point the first node, because if you lost this head, you will lose full linked list. You have to remember it carefully. If you lost this pointer address, you will lose everything. So what you have to do is that just store. I have pointed this. So now this temp will goes the current pointer. Current pointer, what is current pointer? This is the first node. It is the first node of linked list. So this what happened, this head current pointer next node means it will go the second node. Okay, and then this first node, because delete first means we want to delete the first node. So for this reason car pointer allocate, see here car pointer allocate the star head, it will initialize here. So I want to just free them, but remember it carefully. If you do not write this line, you will lose every data or every node whatever you have given the in this program. So you have to write, because this is the first. Okay, this is the first here, but after that you have to, I have deleted the first, then what head pointer, you have to point at the next things. Next means car pointer, next means heads next. Okay, then it will print this message, delete first node successfully. Whenever we will when we run this code, you will understand more clearly. Then I want to create delete last function. See, this is, I want to delete the last node, then it is return type, it is void. You can return anything. So I create two variable, car pointer and pre pointer. It means it will locate the previous pointer and it will point the present pointer. Car pointer means car ptr means current pointer. So whenever, I have said earlier, whenever your linked list is empty, it will says that linked list empty, at first enter some data and then try to delete. Now if your node is present, then what happened? I have already discussed this line. It means it will locate the first node. I have stored this first node address, and then if car pointer next equals to null, it means if one node present, if it is unique things, if one node present in your linked list, then it will free your node. And then head star equals to means what? Because your at first your only node is present, and then you delete this, it means your now your linked list is empty. For this reason I have written this star head equals to null. And if more than one node present, then this else part will execute. Then as the same things as the display time, whenever your current pointer next not equals to null, it will goes, see here, remember it, pre ptr at first locate the current pointer, and this current pointer will go the current pointer next pointer. Means suppose you want to just listen this voice carefully. Suppose you want to delete the last node and here more than one node present, then at first this pre pointer will point the first at the present pointer, and this current pointer locate the next pointer, and after whenever we will reach when car pointer next equals to external means I have whenever we will reach at the last node, because I want to delete the last node, then what we have to do is that we have to free it. We have to free it. For this reason I have used free function, and then pre-pointer next will be null, because your last pointer you delete it and your first pointer next will locate something anywhere else. So for this reason this next will be null. Remember it carefully. Now I want to run this program and I will show you how it works. See, I have run this program. This is singly linked list and compile successfully. Press 1 to insert begin. I have 1 and I want to give 10. Enter. See, node insertion at the beginning successfully, and I want to display because I have stored a node. Then I want to display. For this reason, this menu driven program will help you a lot. I want to use press 5 for display. Press 5. See, 1 linked list and 10, and then it is null, because you know the linear single linked list next, or whatever the node is present, the last node next will be null. And I want to before 10 I want to store 5. So for this reason I want to insert begin. I want to insert begin of the 10. So I then again enter 1, 10. I want to enter that the value 5. See, node insertion at the beginning position successfully. Then I want to display, is it stored or not? Press 5. See, here 5, then 10, and then null. Okay, then I want to store at the last, at 10 up 15 I want to store after 10. Then press to insert last. It means there is last node is 10, then I want to insert last, so I want to give 15. Then see node insertion, if it is stored or not I want to see by press 5 display. For this reason this will help you by menu driven program. And I want to delete first node. Press 3 to delete first node, means it will delete 5. Then I want to press 3, then enter. See, delete first node successfully. If this 5 is deleted or not, I want to again I will see again by display function. Press 5, then enter. See, now no node is here, no 5 is present. See, only 10, 15. If you want to delete the last node, it means 15, you can press 4. I want to press 4. See, delete last node successfully. Then press 5 to display. See, here 15 will not be there. See, here only 10. Okay, whenever I want to delete 10, you can delete this 10, delete first node or delete last node, because here one node is present, it will be the first and it will be the last. Then I want to press 4, so see, delete last node successfully. Then if we delete 10, then there is no node, then it will says that linked list empty. Then I want to use display. See, your linked list is empty. And whenever you use press 6 to exit, now press 6, see, it will say thank you and it will come from the program. So if you like this video and if you have any problem, just know me, comment section, and I will reply as soon as possible. So just like this video, and if it is helpful, please share with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe, and have a nice day, and see you in next video. Bye bye.